Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. In today's video, we are hooking up a beautiful and adorable crochet baby rompers designs ideas. Hope you like this video in different collections, so please watch this video till end and tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. Get ready to create a comfortable and stylish garments for your little ones. In this video, we will be making a stylish and gorgeous look crochet comfortable baby rompers designs ideas perfect for different occasion. This romper is sure to impress. First, let's start with the foundation chain. Next, we will add some pattern and texture. To shape the sleeves and baby rompers, we will use different techniques. From sweet and simple to intricate the elegance, we will go a range of designs to inspire you. Whether you are a beginner or an experted crocheter, these designs ideas perfect for you. We will show you how to create beautiful texture using yarn and techniques, plus got tips on how to customize, how to create crochet baby rompers designs ideas. Plus got tips on how to customize and make this project unique and special. And as a bonus, we will give you a snack peek into our upcoming tutorial on how to customize, how to create crochet baby rompers designs ideas easily. Feel free to experiment with different yarn, color and embellishment to make this project unique and special. You can also add a personal touch with a special message or baby's name. You see many different ideas in my YouTube channel, so please visit my YouTube channel and watch my more different ideas till end. Plus got tips on how to customize the size, color and embellishment. You can also add some embellishments like button, beads, pearls, stones, applique work, flowers, button, pockets, hoodie and many different accessories you use and decor your baby romper easily. If you want more information about crochet work and knitting work, so please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload the next video about your comment. Feel free to experiment with different yarn, color and embellishment. You can use many different yarn for comfortable baby rompers designs. Experiment with different yarn, try using different stitches, pattern or baby romper style, add embellishments and you can make all the crochet baby rompers designs easily. And that's it. Your crochet baby romper is complete and ready to gift, ready for wear. Thanks for stitching along with me today. Do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more ideas, more collection, more inspiration videos. And please be share your creativity with us on different social media accounts using hashtag. Check out our next new more videos about crochet work and knitting work. See you in the next video. Take care, okay viewers. Bye bye.